Guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Nora, and I'm going to highlight some stocks that I think will be nice for the watch list, and maybe even you may want to buy them in 2021. We're starting a new year. I want to thank all my subscribers from the bottom of my heart. We are almost at 100 subs, so I am very stoked. We are down very close to 100. If you have not already subscribed, I would very much appreciate if you could hit that juicy red subscribe button and help out a small YouTuber like myself. I'm gonna bring you plenty of valuable content, and it's gonna come to you commercial free, okay? So when you log on, you're going to get straight into the meat and potatoes. Okay, guys, let's get started. What a day. What a day we had today with Dogecoin. Wow. Now, I had almost 250,000 shares of Dogecoin at this morning, okay? And after it hit 1 penny, hit that mark. Now, that was a very huge resistance level that it broke through, and it looks like it's maintaining above that 1 penny mark. I'm really happy and stoked. If you want to see the silly video I did, you can go to my TikTok, Nora the Stock Explorer, and see the little video I did about the Dogecoin. Okay. A lot of people in my trading group jumped in on this and made some very nice returns. I got up over $1,000 profit on it, and I took some profit. I took out my original investment, okay? This is looking very promising. Now, this is a more risky stock, but I think it can very easily hit 2 cents. I don't think that's too much to ask. Especially with all of the hype around crypto, and we're starting a brand new year. Obviously, you can trade this 24/7, which is a bonus, okay? I'm going to be watching it. But I'm very happy about how this played out. Now, I mentioned this in my Holiday Hustle video. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and check out the Holiday Hustle video. It's still relevant, and a lot of those stocks have actually made some nice money since then. And one of the call-outs I had was Dogecoin, so I hope you got in on a little bit of this action today. It was very exciting. Okay. Now, another stock I want to feature is Uber. Now, I bought some shares of Uber on Thursday, the last trading day of 2020, and I think as we go into 2021, Uber's going to continue to innovate. They are a data company, okay? People think of them as a ride share or food delivery, but their main focus is collecting data, and they have massive amounts of data collection that has been done as far as where people go, what they buy, and things of that nature, okay? And as we move forward, data is king, okay? So just remember that. Of course, they will have competitors, but this is a beast of a company. Yes, it got beat down this year, as many companies did. However, I think Uber is ready to break through and have an amazing year, okay? Now, it's at $51 right now. Just keep an eye on it. If you see it dropping some more, it dropped 4% last trading day. If it drops some more, go ahead and scoop that up on the cheap, okay? Get a good price on that and ride that into 2021. Maybe a short-term swing trade, maybe you can hold it long-term. I'm not sure, but I know I grabbed myself some, and I'm very happy that I did. The technical show it in a neutral zone. I wanted to show you this chart in particular, and this person has the Fibonacci lines drawn out on it. Give me 1 second. And it looks as if this person has it bouncing around within this channel they drew out in this midline here. And it's staying for the most part within the channel, except for this little blip right here that happened the early in November. But she's pretty much staying within this channel, and the channel is slowly moving up. Now, this up here is called the golden pocket. Anything up above this 6.61%. Now, these are Fibonacci lines. They show supports and resistances. It's a mathematical formula created by Fibonacci. I am not a math genius. However, these are the support and resistance lines. And if it pops up, it's going to go up here to around $70, okay? If it fades, it's probably going to fade down to 42, but I don't see that happening, guys. I really don't. Uber is very innovative, and I see them moving forward into the new year, continuing their innovation and being a leader, okay? Yes, they have taken a hit. However, a lot of companies have, and they are continuing to move forward, and they're also offering free rides to our first responders and frontline workers, so I give them mad props for that. Thank you, Uber, for that. That's awesome. Next one I want to feature is Nintendo stock. Let's close this out and let's look at Nintendo. Now, just as a little bit of trivia, you cannot buy Nintendo stock on Webull. NTDOY is the ticker. Let's take a look at Nintendo. And I'm going to show you why I think Nintendo would be a great pick right now to move forward into 2020. Right now it's sitting at $80.52. Okay. Now, here is the reason that I think Nintendo will get a lot of media attention. Now, I live in Orlando, Florida, okay? Now look at this. Nintendo's Shigeru Miyamoto confirms plans to open Super Nintendo World at Universal Orlando Resort and Universal Studios Hollywood, okay? Now, this is huge. This is going to really put Nintendo on the map, huge. Not only this, but if they come out with a new version of the Nintendo Switch, which is already hard to find, that's going to be a winner for Nintendo stock, guys. I'm not saying I'm 100% confident about buying this stock, but this is definitely one that you want to put on your watch list. They are doing some amazing things, and I think this is going to be wildly popular. Now, if you can't afford Nintendo stock because it is $80 per share, you can buy Hero. Now, Hero, okay, is I believe it's an ETF that incorporates a lot of gaming stocks, okay? Video games and esports ETF, okay? It's listed as a buy, and it's much more reasonable to get in on. A lot of people are long-term bullish on it. Let's move up and check it out. Okay. It is trading at $31.05. It is listed on the NASDAQ. Okay, love my American companies. So there you go, boom. You can get Hero and have all your bases covered if you are a gaming enthusiast or you feel bullish about the gaming market. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to go back to my Robinhood account and show you my portfolio. And on the year, as of today, it is showing 100% gain on the year. That's a pretty good, okay? I'm pretty happy with that, okay? Now, it's of course fluctuated. I've had some highs and lows. You don't want to see massive swings like this one right here, but from June into July, there was a lot of volatility, okay? But I steadily added a little money here, a little money there, and as we move forward throughout the year, we ended the year at 100%. I cannot complain about that, and I want to continue to do this. But what I want to do now, guys, what I want to do is start a 0 to 50K challenge. Now, how long it'll take to 50K, that remains to be seen. However, I want to start this first week of January, and I want to get you guys started on TD Ameritrade. Now, if you don't want to put your own money in TD Ameritrade, you can paper trade along with me. Check out my video on paper trading. I chose this for several reasons, but it has amazing charts. It has award-winning tools within the software, and I think it's just an overall great choice. And furthermore, they have great customer service, okay? All right. So I want to use TD. I want to get you guys familiar with it. See, as you see down here, stockbrokers.com listed them as the #1 in education. If you don't know this, there's a lot of free educational tools within TD Ameritrade. Download the mobile app or the desktop app and go ahead and start exploring within here, and you will see there is a lot of free information for you. Okay, NerdWallet rated it best broker for stock trading. Okay, and it's rated #1 for beginners by stockbrokers.com. Don't assume it's not user friendly. Once you get used to it, it's very user friendly, and the tools are absolutely amazing. So for that reason, I'm going to use this. Okay guys, I'm going to finish up this video. If you have any ideas or requests, please drop them in the comments section below. If you've not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when my new videos come out. I'm really excited to start this trading journey with you guys in 2021. I think you're really going to get a lot of great information if you stick with me. Alright guys, I'll be talking to you guys soon. Have a great day.